Hello everybody, Ilia is right here, and guys, I'm honestly speechless. 284 people, it's like plus 13 people in a couple days, which made my day. Today we're going to talk mostly about Bitcoin and especially this guy, who is the manager of the largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates. Also, we are going to talk about Coinbase, because Coinbase is going to become publicly traded. And here you can see it announces proposed direct listing of shares. Coinbase announced last month it had confidentially submitted a draft registration statement with SEC. And here you can see Coinbase recently announced it had $90 billion in assets on platform at the close of 2020 and 43 million registered users. And by the way guys, Robinhood is an application where people are trading stocks. They're making a lot of money there too. A lot of people are also trading cryptocurrency there, but majority are for stocks. So imagine they made a lot of money on GameStop and they're going to move it somewhere. Which asset is everywhere on news right now? Of course, it's Bitcoin. So they will go into Bitcoin and they will start using Coinbase. It's actually a pretty good idea and probably even smart to start buying Coinbase stocks. But we are talking about crypto. So here's the news. By comparison, there are roughly 13 million users on Robinhood, the fintech app embroiled in controversy after halting trading of GameStop and other meme stocks. So that means probably even if 10%, no, okay, 10 is a lot, even if 1%, that means 130,000 people will go to cryptocurrency, to Coinbase, we'll definitely see spike in Bitcoin. And one of my favorite metrics is this. We shouldn't forget that this is alt season right here, and it's starting and it's just heating and boiling. We're going to see up to these levels. So probably Bitcoin will dip soon, because we already peaked here with Bitcoin, and the higher we go with Bitcoin, the higher alts will fly after that. Because here we already had, look, that's the perfect example. So it peaked here, and after that alts went here. Then it peaked here, alts went even higher. Then it peaked here again, and alts, because they were accumulating all the time the power, and finally Bitcoin just fell here, and altcoins got almost like 50% of market cap combined. And here you can see is going to do something again, and altcoins are going to fly from here. But still, we take more time for Bitcoin to leave, and the longer it leaves, the higher will be alts after. And the next we are moving to, of course, yeah, right, this just doubled, I'll take it. And Dalio. If you want to be rich, listen to Rich. Simple advice. This guy has almost $17 billion in his net worth. You will ask, who is that guy? Okay, I'll tell you. That's the biggest hedge fund in the world, and this guy is managing it. So better listen to him, because especially they haven't started even pumping our bags and Bitcoin yet. As of January 2021, it had approximately, here you can see it's 150 billion, but here it says 102. Still, more than $100 billion in assets under management. We better listen to that guy, because when he's changing his mind, he's going to put some money in there. And here you can see Dalio calls Bitcoin one hell of an invention, says it won't escape firm's scrutiny. That means if the biggest hedge fund won't escape this, so that means smaller hedge funds are still not there, and they're going to put their money too. And we are still ahead of the game, and we can get there and maximize our profits by the future. And further he says, that is what Bitcoin looks like to this non-expert. I'm eager to be corrected and learn more. On the other hand, believe me when I tell you that I and my colleagues at Bridgewater are intently focusing on alternative storehold of wealth assets, and Bitcoin won't escape our scrutiny, he added. That means that those guys are definitely going to move something from the gold. And especially he's saying this in official paper from his company. The main thing we should be focused on is that he and his fund haven't bought any of the currency yet, but they're taking a very close look. The hedge fund manager has come a long way since he said Bitcoin is so volatile and therefore unsuitable as a storehold of wealth. Just last year, Dalio said that governments would likely outlaw the currency. But today he hinted that Bridgewater could consider investing in it, or other similar alternative assets. Imagine if you find something with low market cap, which is less likely of course, but it can be Ethereum, it can be other top 20 coins, who knows? And of course everything that I said from any sources would be nothing, but the thing is I have a proof, and here's the proof. Look, huge document that he prepared. Imagine the guy sitting on billions of dollars and just making this kind of wasting time thing. No, it's not. It's only because they're going, and I'm waiting for them to pump my bags. I'm writing this to clarify what I think of Bitcoin. Not being a Bitcoin cryptocurrency expert, I believe my views are not valuable enough to be relied on, so I shouldn't put them out there. But he decided to put it on his website. And look, I believe Bitcoin is, like I said before, one hell of an invention. To have invented a new type of money via a system that is programmed into a computer and that has worked for around 10 years and is rapidly gaining popularity as both a type of money and a storehold of wealth is an amazing accomplishment. That, like creating the exciting credit-based monetary system, is of course a type of alchemy, making money out of little or nothing. And he's just very impressed by that fact of Bitcoin, that it's actually existing and is changing the money. Like I was always saying, it's changing the money system and our world. Those who have built it and supported the dream of making this new kind of money are really have done a fabulous job of sustaining the dream and moving Bitcoin into being an alternative gold-like asset. So yeah, that's another proof, like he's thinking it is gold or it is better than gold. For example, since I view Bitcoin as being a gold-like alternative asset, Rebecca Patterson and others at Bridgewater did some calculations, like looking at the value of private holdings of gold and then take percentages of those holdings and assume they were shifted to Bitcoin to diversify that type of holding. By the way, example, if 10% of the private holdings of gold were switched to Bitcoin and diversifier, or 20 or 30 or 40 or 50, what would the price be? And here's a perfect saying. This is how my psychology works investing in Bitcoin. That is why to me, Bitcoin looks like a long duration option to a highly unknown future that I could put an amount of money in that and I wouldn't mind losing about 80% off. So I'm not thinking that I will lose 80% off because it will be very hard, because since the day one when I started buying it, it was 3,000 times cheaper. And after that, he decided to make a discussion about alternative storehold of wealth, his logic. And look at that perfect graph, guys. Bitcoin market cap as percentage of total gold outstanding. Look, even though it's growing still here, it's even less than 4.5%. And here, guys, you know this graph is similar to that one, percentage of market share. And here you can see the blue one is Bitcoin. Finite supply makes Bitcoin especially attractive at the time when central banks are printing aggressively. Right, they're printing like crazy right now because it's like billions and billions of dollars every day are being printed. Similar to gold, Bitcoin has limited usage as a medium of directly exchanging goods and services. Also, like gold, however, Bitcoin offers stable and limited issuance and cannot be devalued by central bank printing. And another thing, it's a lot easier for you guys to get Bitcoin. You can buy it from somewhere. You can buy it from even ATM. Try to buy gold from ATM. You won't be able. And here you can see increasing total supply as percentage of current supply. Bitcoin at the beginning was mining really fast, right? And now supply is barely increasing. It's really hard to mine Bitcoin right now. That's why it's just barely moving. Also, another note, Bitcoin is globally accessible and easily portable, useful attributes for a storehold of wealth. And with Bitcoin, everyone can be wealthy, right? Finally, beyond being able to retain its purchasing power through time, a good storehold of wealth also needs to be easily exchangeable and accessible, both now and in the future. Compared to some other traditional storeholds of wealth such as gold, art, and real estate, Bitcoin is much more easily exchangeable, especially for individual holders. And indeed, given its digital nature, Bitcoin might be the most portable storehold of wealth, much more so than physical cash. And that's the list of countries with existing ATMs. And look, 80 plus countries have at least one Bitcoin ATM. I have 2 Bitcoin ATMs across the road. That's fine. And here I'm finishing talking about Dalio because we have some exciting news here. New Grayscale trust filings spin rumor mill into overdrive for Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos, and more. This kind of huge news for altcoins, and especially even for altcoins from top 20. But still, guys, be careful with your investments because, like here, you can see a very smart saying. Those filings relate to preparation for possible trust launches. But this is no guarantee that something will be launched actually. Grayscale Investment filed to register 5 new trusts, which means they're probably moving into DeFi space too. And probably we are going to have DeFi 2.0 bull run. Here's the list of coins that you can take a look and probably even buy later. They have entire list on their website. And actually what they do, here you can see their investment report. They have $20 billion under their management. And Grayscale started year 2020 with only $2 billion and they gained 17.5 billions more. And it's only because of this Bitcoin trust. This is the thing that actually grew their finances. And look guys at major news. Anger as trading in GameStop shares is restricted. They're restricted. Everyone is blaming Robinhood. People are going to Coinbase. Here's another one. You want a revolution, Redditors? What's your plan when GameStop collapses? And guys, people's greed is living forever. It will be there. People who gained a lot, they will be willing to make a lot more, so they will go into Bitcoin. Not everyone, but a lot of them. And significant amounts will be going to Coinbase or Binance or whatever they go. Big investors, GameStop shareholders sales of stake valued at over $1 billion. And definitely part of that will go to cryptocurrency. And imagine those companies are big and thousands of people are trading here. Those who made some profits here, they will definitely go to cryptocurrency. And we're just waiting for those people. And then institutions and then retail and everyone will go there. So we are just at the beginning of this bull run. And let's take a look what is trending. Look, Robinhood for users file a class action lawsuit. Dogecoin is trending, Binance is trending. Before it was Coinbase, there was Bitcoin. People are seeing that. Those who are not investing but thinking where to invest in, and they will see cryptocurrency and they will go there. And thank you, Anand here. Yeah, good luck. And then you will split your portfolio and make a lot more. And there was one comment that I would like to, I would like to see a video that talks about EthereumX. Corinne, honestly, that's the most useless coin that I've ever seen. Look, in their blockchain, you can see it's like only two persons are trying to sell and trade, but they're just canceling and placing order. So it doesn't worth anything. There is no price, there is nothing. So it's just useless. And there is also nothing about development. And you can see it's only 1,000 asset holders. So it's like not even a coin. And if we take a look at coin market cap, look, it's just $71,000 of market cap. It's not even market cap. And $200 of volume we don't need even analytics here. It's the most useless thing I've ever seen, honestly. Last but not least, I would like to tell you that my next video will be about how to sell highest high from the market. So how to be successful seller of the cryptocurrency after a bull run. So don't waste your money that you gained, but sell on the top. And I want to ask you to register here, studio.glassnode.com. So there is nothing, no partnerships or no affiliate marketing or something. This is just a link with a lot of metrics. You can learn by yourself, but I will show you the one and you'll be wondered how simple it is and that everyone should know that, but nobody is talking about. And you can see that's free account. I'm just signed in, but I will show you how to use those metrics. You'll be wondered. And I would like to thank everyone who is participating in discussions, making those questions in the comments below, who is liking the video, of course, because YouTube is thinking, oh my God, okay, they like this video, I'm gonna show it to more people. And that's why I'm kind of very happy giving you those prizes. And that person who watched till the end, you, my friend, are being rewarded. Open 2 minute 50 seconds on a wiki page and you will see on the last line, there is 12 words. It's a mnemonic phrase. So you will see in the description below how you can use it to claim your coins. And congratulations, that's actually so far the biggest wallet I decided to share. It's still small, but we are growing our community and prizes are growing too. Congratulations, hit subscribe button, like it, love it, enjoy, and invite your friends, of course. Have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.